Hello everyone! I'm going to show you how to make a Holy Basil Lemonade. Before I get started, let us know first what are the benefits we can get from the Holy Basil leaves. Holy basil has been shown to boost your body's health in a variety of ways. It can help protect against infection, lower your blood sugar, lower your cholesterol, ease joint pain, and protect your stomach, and also a great healing for skin problems. Now, let's get started. First, gather the equipment that you need: blender, cutting board, knife, strainer, stirring spoon, and glass. For the ingredients, we have holy basil leaves, water, lemon, and honey. Now prepare the holy basil leaves and the lemon. Rinse the holy basil leaves well under cool running water. Remove the leaves from the stems. Next, cut the lemon into half and squeeze it using the strainer to separate the seeds from the juice. Then, combine all ingredients. Put a glass of water in the blender. Add holy basil leaves. Add lemon juice and add honey. Finally, blend the combined mixed ingredients for a few minutes. This lemonade will really quench your thirst and also very healthy. When you see that the leaves are minced finely, then you can off the blender. Pour the lemonade to a drinking glass from the blender. You can add some ice cubes or refrigerate to make it cooler. Now it's done, ready to serve and drink our tasty homemade lemonade. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.